guys doing today? Welcome to Steph and Manny. Just giving you guys a little bit of tips. Just did a oil change on Steph's car, and first time doing it, so I figured I'll help you guys out for whoever else is doing this project for the first time. First thing you want to know is what type of oil it uses, which is 5W30. Make sure you get that, and I will also show you guys where the oil filter is at and the draining. The Hummer H2 uses 6 gallons of oil, so make sure you guys get that before you guys start the project and draining the oil. The tools you're going to be using, somebody told me to use a 15mm wrench, but it was not the size, so I ended up using a 13mm wrench. Also note that there is good ground clearance. I was able to get underneath it without jacking it up, but if you're taller or heavier than I am, you will definitely need a jack with some safety stands, jack stands, to make sure you get the job done right. All right, I'm gonna climb underneath and show you guys where everything's at. All right, I'm in the car. First thing you're gonna know is there's the oil filter, and there's the drain plug right next to it. You're gonna have to access the car through behind the front tire. I know a lot of you guys are gonna want to go through the front, but that shield area covers up the whole front, so that's where you want to go. Another thing I wanted to note, I tried to use this, the oil filter clamp. If you have one of these, it will not work. There's not enough clearance beside it for you to be able to take it off. I ended up using a larger size vice grips, or you can get the oil remover tool that has like the rubber grip to it, and that will tie around it. So that was my little tip for the oil change. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys need help or anything else like that, please feel free to comment. Also remember to subscribe and like, and thank you for you guys' time. Hope I helped.